Come test drive the 2020 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, front license plate bracket, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, security system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.